people. So, like I said, there's this place called Sonali Food Point that is in opposite Nucleus Mall in Ranchi. And if you were to take a look at the kind of things, it is one of the most reasonable places I've seen. Yeah, like seriously, if you all are ever visiting Ranchi, you all have to come here because it's. I just tasted their what's it called the rasgulla, rasgulla of this area, Ranchi, and it was like awesome. And now I'm waiting for my mushroom cheese roll. And even the proprietor, the person who runs this place, is, his name is Vasudev, and true to his name, he's a very, I think it's one of the finest places I've seen in and around Ranchi. So this place is. Today I don't have my iPhone with me, but I could show you the thing. It's Sonali Food Point opposite Nucleus Mall. So take a look at the kind of things there. So all the 5,000 people who watch my videos, do come here because it is a really nice place. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.